Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a system of equations and we're asked for what value of k, where k is some constant, will the system of equations have no solution. So a system of equations has no solution if the lines are parallel but they are not the same line. Right? So if we have this line and this line with different y-intercepts but they're parallel, they will never intersect, there will never be a solution. So we have to get this in terms of slope-intercept form, because then we can compare the slopes. So kx minus 3y equals 4. If we subtract kx from both sides, we get negative 3y is equal to negative kx plus 4, dividing everything by negative 3 to get the y alone. We get y is equal to, these negatives cancel out, we have k over 3, x, plus 4 over negative 3 is minus 4/3. And then for the other equation, 4x minus 5y is equal to 7. If we subtract 4x from both sides, we get negative 5y is equal to negative 4x plus 7. And dividing by negative 5 all the way around, we get the y alone. So we get y is equal to negative 4 divided by negative 5, the negatives cancel, so we get 4 over 5, x, and then 7 divided by negative 5 is negative 7/5. So, like we said earlier, these lines, if there's no solution, have the same slope but different y-intercepts. And we can see here, the y-intercept of this line is negative 4/3, for this one it's negative 7/5, so they do have different y-intercepts, so these slopes have to be different. Or sorry, the slopes have to be the same for them to be parallel so they never intersect. So we have k over 3 is the slope of this term, of this equation, and 4 over 5 is the other one, and these have to be equal. So now we just have to solve for k. We can do that by multiplying both sides by 3, because these 3's will cancel, and we just get k is equal to 4 times 3 is 12 over 5, and this is not something you can simplify any further. So your final answer is going to be 12/5, which is going to line up with A. This is the value of k for when you put it into this equation. This system will have no solutions. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.